Welcome to this video on whether wireless power will ever replace USB-C. We'll explore the physics of true distance charging. The core physics dictates that wires win. A closed system, like USB-C, confines electrons and prevents radiation loss. An open system, like wireless charging, broadcasts energy, and the environment absorbs escaping power. The first barrier is the inverse square law. For wireless charging, power density drops by the inverse square of the distance, drastically reducing received power over distance. Guided waves in a cable, however, concentrate power. Barrier 2 is the safety problem. Wireless transmitters may broadcast hundreds of watts, but only a fraction reaches the target. Excess RF energy impacts the environment, and safety regulations restrict the specific absorption rate, or SR. Barrier 3 involves thermal battery health. Wired charging converts power externally, keeping heat outside the device. Wireless charging converts RF internally, and that internal heat degrades the lithium-ion battery life. Comparing the contenders, USB-C PD 3.1 delivers up to 240 W with 98% efficiency. Far-field true distance charging peaks under 2 watts and has less than 15% efficiency. It can replace the AA battery, but not the USB-C. The 2026 reality will be a 3-tier power ecosystem. Tier 1 is high power, Tier 2 is convenience, and Tier 3 is ambient power. Enterprise IT must invest in all 3 to meet market demands. Tier 1, the wired backbone, is dominated by USB-C for high-power devices, delivering up to 240 watts safely. Wires remain the gold standard for workstations, achieving rapid charging speeds. Tier 2 is magnetic convenience. Qi 2.2 sets the smartphone baseline, and magnetic power profiles lock devices, reducing energy loss through perfect alignment. This tier is ideal for desks, tables, and corporate vehicles. Tier 3 is ambient power. True distance charging excels in the IoT sector by allowing sensors to pull passive power from a hub. This can eliminate AA battery replacements entirely for devices like retail shelf labels. The final verdict is that wireless power will replace the cable for convenience. However, USB-C will remain the absolute gold standard for performance, providing secure, high-speed, and lossless power and data delivery.